Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today the video is about Hot Wheels BMW M1 Procar. As the BMW M1 Procar is known for its unique look and strong engine. So let's start. Before we get into the detail, let's unbox it. As I open the box, I see the famous design of BMW M1 Procar. I think the Hot Wheel has done a great job capturing the unique shape and the bold look that made this car a racing legend. Now let's take a closer look. The detailing is well done. From the realistic circular line marked with the number 79, it has a detailed headlights and taillights. It has a detailed interior, and the wheels, they are so authentic. It comes with the real rider. It's clear that the Hot Wheel has worked hard to make this BMW M1 Procar diecast car look just like the real one. It's a time for the big moment. This Hot Wheels BMW M1 Procar, I think it's ready to the race on the Hot Wheels track. Why? Because it's low and wide. That design makes it very stable. And if you like racing, try this diecast car on your track and tell me how it performs. I am excited to hear about your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And if you are already following Chill with Sabi, I appreciate your support. Remember to check out other videos and share them. Let's make this community bigger. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.